Futures on the US stock indices are extending a rally in hope for the stimulus bill. The US dollar index posted a 0.1% uptick. The Canadian dollar is on the defensive. Futures on the key stock indices are growing today as investors revive hopes that the US authorities will approve the long-awaited deal on new fiscal stimulus measures ahead of the presidential election. Futures on the Dow Jones gained 0.7%. Futures on the high-tech Nasdaq index climbed 0.79%. Futures on the S&P 500 are 0.75% up. Stimulus measures for the ailing US economy are at the forefront of investors' minds. Yesterday, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said that the incumbent president had to reach an agreement with the Democrats by late Tuesday in case he wants to pass the bill on financial aid before the election. Tonight, traders await data on the US housing market. The Commerce Department is expected to report that the number of house starts increased to 1,457,000 units in September from 1,416,000 a month ago. Besides, market sentiment depends on corporate earnings reports by top American companies. In the New York pre-market, investors will get to know financial records by Procter & Gamble and Lockheed Martin. The US dollar index posted a nearly 0.1% uptick to trade at 93.44. Lately, the US dollar has been trading in a narrow range against a basket of 6 majors. Meanwhile, traders are cautious ahead of the deadline for a new fiscal stimulus deal from Washington. The dollar versus Canadian dollar pair is trading at 1.3180. That's the border of the uptrend. The recent rally of the loonie rests on solid fundamentals. Canada's economic outlook is more promising than for other countries. Even despite rampant coronavirus rates, Canada reported upbeat data on its labor market that should have made a positive impact on retail sales. So investors are anticipating Canada's retail sales data later this week. Apart from data on the US housing starts and speculations on the stimulus bill, the second debate slated for Thursday is on investors' radars. A lot of experts reckon that President Donald Trump should grab the final chance to assert himself and win over American voters. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you back tomorrow.